Hey everybody, Scorpion here. So I've got some videos uploading on my Silver Scorpion channel. Um, so I had a few minutes. Figured we'd try to rip apart something different. This is a zip drive. Kind of old school, but let's see what's in it.
Rock bottle on the track, boy.
Alright, so went ahead and took cables out the back. So it gives you some wire here. Cut the ends off of it. Somebody missed a hole over here. Alright. So, here's your connectors. They're all gold pin. I'll put those with the other gold pin connectors. Last I saw, with your power supply with wire, you get paid more for leaving it together. So that's what I did. I left the wire on it. I didn't cut anything off. It'll go like that. And let's see what is inside. Super easy piece of junk, it seems like. Oh wow. I'm going to tear into this and see exactly what it is. I'm seeing some gold coloring in here though. Let's see. I'm going to take a bunch of screws out and I'll bring y'all back so you don't have to sit here and watch the whole. Alright, so I've taken about 6 screws out. Let's see what happens here. The bottom looks pretty simple, the actual board for it. Looks kind of like a DVD drive board. It's green on both sides. Pretty decent board. Not great. Looks like 4 IC chips. I don't think I counted that one. That'd be 5. Maybe 6. You got 3 here. You got 2. Yeah, 6. Nothing on the bottom. And you do have some gold pins here. So it's actually gold coming through the board here where the pins go in. So I mean, all in all, not a bad board. But as I said, it just does look like kind of like a DVD drive board or maybe a hard drive board. I've got a couple wires on here. These look silver. Yep, all of them are silver. The screw back here hiding. There it goes. I'm not positive what these are, but I think they're magnets. Just looking at them and the way it came apart from what was underneath it. Yep, sure are. And I believe I told y'all it's a zip drive, so it's made for storing information. You put your disk in and it would store it. I took a couple screws out of that, so I mean that's the motor that would spin the disk. There's two ribbon wires, and you've got a regular wire running up through here to a little motor. Safety glasses. Couple little springs. I mean, stuff like this isn't dangerous to take apart, but you might put your eye out. Always loved that movie when I was a kid growing up. So you got two pieces of metal here. I'm not sure what they're made out of. There's a little IC chip on this. Little coil of copper. It's probably aluminum wire coated. I don't see any reason why there would be any type of gold on this, because I haven't really seen gold anywhere else. So you can pull that wire off, check it and see what it is. No, I think that really is copper. This should be aluminum right here, this little piece. Keep your magnets handy. Yeah, that's aluminum, so these little pieces right here aren't. You can pull them off, cut them off. Put that with your aluminum. And got some copper wire here. Not that it's a lot, but there's a little bit. Little IC chip. Pull that off, separate it. You can get as tedious as you want with some of this stuff. There's a little IC chip. This can go with your computer wire. Ribbon cable, whatever you want to call it. This can go with your copper. That goes with your motors, which actually I think that's a solenoid, but it's still basically the same thing. Cutting a little end off here so I can put it with my other ends. Put my wire with the wire. Motor. Do try to keep stuff semi-clean. And then this part right here looks like it's the magnets for the other side. There we go. So that must be some type of steel. And this is all plastic. This finishes the neodymium magnets off. Interesting. So they actually repel each other. They don't want to go together. That piece of steel that was in between them should have reversed the polarity to make them want to attract. And that's basically it. So it's not really much of anything in them, but there is a couple little goodies. Neodymium magnets, a couple motors. That'd be a nice roll of copper in that. That, if you wanted to take your time to take it apart, could be a huge pain, but there's a little brass ring here and another brass ring there. Most of the time these are just a huge fight. I'd rather just leave it as a motor than spend that time fighting with it. I do this to relax, not aggravate myself, so yeah. But that's it. Hope y'all enjoyed seeing a little teardown of a zip drive. That would be the first one I've ever torn down. See y'all later.